Bay East recently launched our new member engagement system. The new system allows members to easily access dues, fees, invoices, and make online payments. Bay East dues cover membership and MLS and key services for July 2022 through June 2023. Members will need to make their annual payment or select a payment plan before June 16, 2022. Let's go over how to pay your dues online using our new member engagement system. Log in to your member dashboard at www.bayeast.org. Click on Pay My Bill. If this is your first time logging into the new system, you will need to click Forgot Password to create a new account. An email will be sent to the email address Bay East has on file. Follow the instructions to create your account. Do not enter credit card information on the billing tab until after you make your first payment. Your dashboard gives you easy access to your dues and fees invoices by selecting Annual Billing Statement on the homepage. Scroll down to view the payment plan option and the billing disclosures at the bottom of the page. All members must select a payment plan to make their first payment and to be re-enrolled in AutoPay. You will only need to upload the information once to be enrolled in AutoPay moving forward. To avoid any interruption in services, a grace period will be extended through July 5th. If you were previously enrolled in AutoPay, the settings were not transferred to the new system. You will need to log in, select a plan, and enter your credit card information. If you have any questions about paying your dues, please call the Bay East Accounting Department at 925-730-1070. If you have any issues logging into the membership dashboard, please contact tech support at 925-730-7100. Thanks for watching.